welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Robert Bolin, and Coach Jong Ichigov Endek. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach Jong, this is your 4th straight victory. But what can you say about how your team won this game and what it took to be able to escape that Ginebra storm in the 4th?
Well, it's good that we experienced it, no? Kasi we're not really young, but a pretty young team. No? And to be able to get some confidence in winning that type of game, that will pay dividends later in the end. You know, in terms of learning to deal with pressure. So, you know, it's good that we got to win the game. We were up by double figures, but knowing Ginebra, you know, they have the capacity to come back, which they did. And Stephen Holt really shot the lights out. You know, he got them into the game. But that's good. But we also have a guy named Berto Bolin, who carried the team also. Big shots, wanted the ball. That's why you need the Berto in your team to carry the team when things aren't going well, especially on the offensive end. When it comes to competition and winning time, Berto is always there to step up.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Berto, as I reported earlier, hindi nakikita ng tao, but your right quad is heavily bruised, purple yung kulay. But how are you able to play through whatever physical pain you're experiencing?
First, credit kay Coach. Ang ganda ng game plan namin. 86 points sa team na yun. I think ganda ng depensa namin. Yung 4th quarter lang, pumutok lang talaga si Stephen Holt. Pero credit sa team namin, ang liliit namin, Bayo, kami lahat, tulungan kami sa rebound. Yun ang nakaka-proud sa team talaga. So, sa game naman ito, kahit anong nangyari, gamot-gamot lang, laban na. Yan lang.
That's why
Arkok siya.
si Berto is such a competitor. Kasi yun nga, hindi ko alam na nung isang araw, nag-picture siya sa akin, ganun yung sabi ko, hindi ko alam na ganun kagrabe yung injury niya. But he played through it, so he's really a competitor.
We now open the floor to questions from the media.
Berto, congratulations. Si Cyrus Torres, yung meron siyang turnover yung pasang sana na musok sa ano niya. Pero in the end, siya yung nagtumira ng go-ahead triple shot.
Yun yung maganda sa team namin. Yun nga, sinabi ko last sa press conference sa last game. Sila Coach Emma lahat, tinuturo sa kanila to eh. So alam ko yung tinatrabaho nila. So pag libre sila, turnover man we stuck through it, lumamang sila, and nandyan pa rin kami. Yun nga, sinasabi ko, maganda yung linaro ko, pero hindi ako papanalo sa team. Si Bayo, miss ng 2 free throw, na-rebound, nagtapika, nakipaglabanan doon sa bigs. Sa kabila, yun yung mga hindi nakikita sa stat sheet eh. So, sila talaga yung nagpapanalo sa game na to. Ang ganda ng depensa nila, sa ball screen, sa rebounding. Isipin mo, lamang pa kami sa rebound. Lamang ba tayo sa rebound? Lamang pa kami sa rebound na lilit namin. Yun yung kagandahan sa team na yun nga. Bago mag-start tong conference, sabi nga ni Coach, lahat, time to shine. And proud ako sa mga teammates ko na ang ganda ng pinapakita nila. Down siya, nag-miss siya ng free throw, hindi yan, okay lang yan. Part yan ng pagiging rookie, matutunan mo rin yan. But at the end of the day, pag libre ka, tira mo lang yan. Big shot yun, tinira niya sa corner. So, proud ako sa mga teammates ko.
Berto, tinalo nyo TNT and Ginebra after 5 games. Isa ba itong magandang senyales sa inyo moving forward na purish kayo?
Ako naman, yun nga, laging player yung napupuri, pero at the end of the day, Coach Jong, mga coaches namin, grabe yung trinabaho nila yung off-season. And yun, nagpo-prove na ngayon, yung mga pinag-uusapan namin, everybody is involved, ball movement namin. Ang ganda namin panoorin ng 3rd quarter, ang sarap panoorin. Medyo 4th, medyo nagkaanuhan lang kami kasi nga, sabi nga ni Coach, young team, yung mga ganun, medyo nahirapan kami. Pero nung 3rd quarter, nakita mo yung galaw namin, yung player movement, ball movement, lahat nakakaawa. I'm pretty sure na took by surprise din sila sa paano nila credit yan kay coach, credit yan sa coaching staff namin. Nilagay nila kami sa magandang sistema na hindi lang isa kundi lahat kami nag-strive. So kita mo yung mga shots namin halos pare-pareho lang. So yun yung kagandahan sa team namin ngayon. And hopefully masustain namin sa rest of the game. Thank you PBA na hininto. 3 games stretch na.
Robert, hindi naman nabago sa'yo kalaban yung whenever you face to win games several times in your career. Even tonight, kahit fair amount of people talagang welcome you support for Fernando. How did you shut down that noise, especially in the fourth quarter, to stay composed and iwanan lang yung mga support?
Yung Ginebra, pag nakakashoot dalawa, tatlo, ingay na eh. So, minsan mararatil din, lalo na yung mga pagmuhan sa amin. Pero, yung kagandahan sa amin, yung mga asawa namin, yung mga fans namin, meron kaming fans dyan na nanonood ngayon, naramdam din namin. So, yun yung bumubuhay sa amin. Siyempre, mga tatalino namin coaches. Sa amin lahat dito, ilan lang ata ng champion sa team namin. Si coach lang yung nagmamatch sa ibang teams eh. So, pagkakinig lang kami, sumunod lang kami, ganito yung lalaroin namin. So, hopefully, masustain namin. And hopefully, ganito pa rin kami, lahat kami nagko-contribute, lahat kami mataas kumpiyansa para mahirap kami pantayan.
Coach, may balita na ba kay Brandon Ramirez? Tinamaan ata siya dito.
Hindi ko pa natatanong.
Pero, ang tingin mo doon sa nangyari kanina, doon kay Brandon?
I didn't exactly see it. Okay, ang ano ko lang naman is, yung, I might be wrong, yung inaano ko lang is, bakit hindi nila ininto yung play? Meron, but I might be mistaken. So I have to look at it, to sure.
Coach, nabanggit na ni Berto na nagkaroon ng change sa schedule na parang firma na ata yung next opponent niya. So do you think na nakabuti ko para sa inyo sa chances niya na ma-extend itong
sa pahinga. Yes, sa pahinga. Gives time for sa pahinga lang naman yun. Hindi sa kalaban. Sa pahinga, at least gives Berto some time to recuperate from his injury. Yeah. Kasi yun ang pinag-uusapan namin. Ikaw, Birds, kung hindi mo kaya, may 2 laro pa naman. So, yun, nagbago na yung schedule. So, meron time for him to recover.
Coach, good evening. Just talk about Cyrus Torres delivering that last 3 despite being ill.
Yun nga, sabi nga ni Berto, kailangan mabigyan namin ng kumpiyansa sila eh. Kasi they're young. And syempre, they will make, the pressure still gets to them. Eh. So, we should give them that leeway back to be able to deal with that type of pressure and give them the confidence. Yun. So, which, nag-deliver naman si Cyrus, big 3-point shot. Was wide open, pero ang buo ang loob niya. Yun lang naman ang gusto natin. Eh. Buo yung loob mo na tumira. Basta tira mo, tira naman niya yun. Whether he misses or makes it, wala naman kaso yun. It's a very good shot.
Of course, you expect that big Ginebra comeback.
For sure. For sure na capable yung Ginebra to come back. Especially nung tinanggal ni Coach Tim yung first fight. It's a matter of time na ibabalik din ngayon eh. And then last Bulusok, which what happened. So, mabuti naman na weather namin yung storm. We stuck together, which is a good sign yung sinasabi ko. It's a good sign that we stuck together, na hanap lang kami ng paraan, and we stuck to the game plan.
With that, we conclude our post-game press conference. Thank you for your time, gentlemen.
Paano nangyari yung